Court disposes of petitions seeking disqualification of Minister Shyam Kumar. Tension grips Thangmaiband area as intensifies over baby Sana killing. And Chief Minister N. Biren Singh sees off first batch of Hajj pilgrims at Imphal Airport. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. The High Court of Manipur today disposed of the petitions filed by different parties seeking disqualification of Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar under the 10th schedule of the Constitution, with an observation that the matter be handed over to the Assembly Speaker for observation and reference. Imminent threat of disqualification against Shyam Kumar comes after he switched side to ruling BJP after he won Andhra's seat on Congress ticket in the last state assembly polls. It may be noted that the judgment order was kept reserved from July 2nd by a single bench of the High Court of Manipur headed by Justice K.H. Nobin after holding several rounds of hearing on several occasions from 2018 onwards. The petitioners included Congress MLA MD Fazul Rahim, K. Meghachandra, former MPCC President T.N. Haukip and others separately seeking disqualification of Shyam Kumar. Protest has been intensified in Imphal West Thangmaiband area, demanding quick justice in the killing of Ningthaujam Baby Sana, a class 7 student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur. The influential Old Manipur Students' Union has joined the protest to push for the demand. A bandh has been imposed in the area by Thangmaiband United Club, backed by locals, to put pressure on the Manipur government to bring all culprits in the Baby Sana killing to book. Roads were blocked by bandh supporters. No untoward incidents were reported. 13-year-old Ningthaujam Baby Sana reportedly committed suicide inside her boarding room by hanging herself on July 18. But the family and the Baby Sana Joint Action Committee are sensing a foul play in her death. Thangmaiband United Club imposed a total shutdown in Thangmaiband area of Imphal West from early today. The bandh will enforce till 6 a.m. tomorrow. The Joint Action Committee, formed over the death of N. Baby Sana, has warned that Manipur shutdown will be called if the state government fails to give a proper response in connection with the death of Baby Sana. Meanwhile, a meeting is underway between Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam and a 13-member team of Baby Sana JAC at Later's office. A JAC leader said a Manipur total shutdown will be imposed from 6 a.m. tomorrow in case the meeting with the minister ends without any breakthrough. The meeting started at 4:30 p.m. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh saw off the first batch of Hajj pilgrims at Imphal Airport today. In all, 458 people, including 223 women, have been selected for Hajj pilgrimage from the state under Manipur State Hajj Committee this year. In the first batch, 192 pilgrims led by Manipur State Hajj Committee Chairperson Maulana Abdus Salam and Khadim ul Hujaj Muhammad Rashid Ali left for Kolkata in different flights for their onward journey to the holy city of Makkah. The second batch of pilgrims, numbering 266, will leave for Kolkata tomorrow. All of them will stay at Madinat ul Hujaz Hajj House, Kolkata, before they leave for Makkah in 2 flights on July 26. And Biren wished the pilgrims for a happy journey and safe return after a successful pilgrimage. He also urged them to pray for Manipur so that peace, prosperity, harmony and tranquility prevail in the state. The pilgrims also thanked the Chief Minister for his greetings and coming to the airport to see them off. It may be mentioned that Maulana Abdus Salam has been selected as the coordinator of Khadim cum Cleric by the Hajj Committee of India. Manipur State Minority Commission Chairperson MD Anwar Hussain, Director Minority Affairs NG Uttam, Imphal Airport Director S. Senthil Valavan and members of Manipur State Hajj Committee were also present at the occasion. Unidentified gunmen reportedly shot dead a man at Kangchup Chiru in Kaithal Manvi area under Kangpokpi district around 9 p.m. yesterday. The deceased has been identified as Demko Hau Kipgen of Boljang village. No group has claimed responsibility. Investigations are underway. 20 years of Kargil War, the 15th Assam Rifles under the aegis of IGARS held a program commemorating the 1999 war at Sainik School Complex, Pangai in Imphal. At the event, the 15th Assam Rifles also displayed weapons and motivational videos to the students and discussed about how the Indian forces won the war.
Opportunity for the boys to see these things, otherwise at normal places and in schools, this was not possible. And therefore, I am highly thankful to 15 Assam Rifles for organizing this program at this school. Especially I am thankful to Major Kinu Babu.
Ngasi celebration asina akoi school da su soin help togani angang chingse to further motivate my defense services sang na ba. Koi 15 Assam Rifle under the auspices of IGR South na celebrate ngasi gi achouba function asi matang da angang chingsu yamna motivated oire moi gi weapon display ga yeng na khotna asuma mayam si yamna angang dasu mami mamai panghan boina yamna nungai jaba phongtuk chari akoi gi school gi taraf tagi.
We are heading to a short break, but coming up, Sanjit and Rabina remembered on 10th death anniversary. More after the break. Stay tuned.
Admission is going on. Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science, Pangai, opposite to 6 IRB MPTC Pangai, Pangai Road, Imphal, Manipur. Notice ki oina ihan hana Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science, Pangai na BSc Forensic Science course, Manipur da hangle. Mapalam da chatrabasu hayeng mag college cha lakituna admission to bihoro akak na basigni.
Manipur University the affiliate Tauba South Asian Institute of Rural and Agricultural Management Langsing Achauba Imphal West ki admission Tauzari course sing adudi BSc Agriculture, BSc Horticulture, Bachelor of Business Administration BBA Nupa amasung nupi ki hostel gi khudong chaba leijari akaknaba seat kharatani akupa marol gidamak www.sairam.org.in natraga phone number 7641929924 natraga 8258801014 natraga 9612812346 ta contact taubiu.
Welcome back. The 10th death anniversary of Sanjit and Rabina, who died in the infamous July 23, 2009 Khwaramban firing incident, was observed in Imphal today. The event was organized by Working Committee on the Apunba Loop and JAC against the killing of Sanjit and Rabina.
India ki oisno international community khudingna high fan counter jim ha is mine hat pore have very clear oina vividly oina telka na putok muting khangna kre ana mase yam seng na athuba the justice ase mase puthokada bani ama generally ba security personnel police maru oina nataga higher authority politician oigra at any cost madu befitting punishment pigada bani have say very clear ekoi ki kholauni ekoi ki pandamni maramaduna madu hen reiterate tongna ba miam madu ki anu message ma pinu ta ngase sugum ba tara suba rabinam chungsaji hatti bagi mi hada sike koi sike haikar leka se thamjabani haina telwan thamjaki.
Moirangpuril area local truck drivers union organized a protest meeting at Lainingtho Ima Panthoibi Tumukhong against the ban imposed on sand and stone quarrying from riverbed by the government. And Manipur High Court in what the union termed in the name of conservation of environment. The meet was attended by more than 1,000 people of 10 villages who later staged a protest rally. Advisor of the union, Ngangom Ratan Kumar, condemned the move of the government, banning quarrying of stone and sand, which is the main source of income and livelihood for many of the poor families. He urged the government to lift the ban. District Health Society and District Family Welfare Bureau, Manipur, Bishnupur observed World Population Day 2019 at Kiamba Ningsing Sanglane, Bishnupur District today under the theme Family Planning Fulfills the Responsibility for Preparing a Healthy Mother and Child. Chairperson of Bishnupur Municipal Council and Maniyaima District AIDS Officer Bishnupur Dr. L. Raichandra, District Malaria Officer Bishnupur Dr. T.H. Nabakishore and District Family Welfare Officer Bishnupur P. Marajao shared the dais during the function. Speaking on the occasion, P. Marajao said that the observance focuses on the adversities caused by unwanted pregnancies and fatalities during delivery across the globe.
Population asina yama agadi ekoi prithvi development akaiba pirakpani aduna ekoi population se ekoi stabilize tawba tai population ase ekoi ngasidi ising isawhum henkalaiba se karmaina ekoi family planning method sing se sinabada ekoi gi health ki right ase ekoi piba tai method sing ase ekoi mapung phana sinanam gi damota public sinda ekoi awareness pi bai se ngasi gi ekoi world population antok achawa pandam amani.
Yaifa Lamjingloop organized a one-day free health medical camp for screening diabetes, thyroid, liver disorders, gouty arthritis and obesity at Pishumthong Ningom Leira Community Hall, Imphal. The health camp was co-sponsored by Chingtam Healthcare, Abbots India Limited, Floratia Private Limited, Indoco Jubilant Life Sciences Limited and ISRL Diagnostic Mumbai. Joint Committee of Local Guardian Association, Catholic School Students Transporters Welfare Union, parents along with teaching and non-teaching staffs of Catholic School Kanchipur expressed gratitude to His Grace Archbishop of Imphal for reappointing Reverend Father Sonny Thomas as the principal of the school. The school has been in a state of turmoil for more than a month owing to absence of a regular principal. In a statement, the association said that the committee has suspended the protest following the development. Apart from considering the second term examination which commences tomorrow, the committee appealed to the parents and guardians to send their wards to school without hesitation. The 18-kilometer long road linking Old New Samtal with Jaffo Bazar and Khongyon village of Chandal district is now in a bad condition, causing hardships to the villagers. In this regard, Chairman of Sulam Area Chiefs Association and Chief of Khongyon village, K. Angangning then stated that the villagers are facing a lot of inconveniences, especially during emergency as the condition of the road has been worsened due to rain. There are no proper drainage system and culverts on the roadside, he said. Angangning then appealed to the concerned authority to look into the matter without delay.
Wongko Khongyon Biartif Road si lambi se huyi lambi yam nungai tre adu ta thok se sen cheng jang honba ana yik ta tat ta lambi yam ya tre dre su le tre garim ta su ta panungai tre khong ta su nungai tre achub da higher authority sarkar na asi mijing da bio lambi sem bio na kanna apel tau jeri.
Acting on a tip-off, a combined team of Lilong Police and Thawal Police led by Inspector Oinam Ajit Singh of Lilong Police under the overall supervision of Superintendent of Police Thawal S. Ibomcha arrested one drug peddler named Muhammad Zail Haq, aged 28 years, resident of Lilong Harebi, Ubakthong, Makha today. As per a report, the police team also seized 1,267 pieces of Spasmoproxybone tablets, 135 bottles of cough syrup and a DBBL gun from his possession. The arrested along with the seized item has been handed over to Lilong Police Station. Former MLA of Nauria Pankhang Lakpa constituency R.K. Anand today distributed water pumps set to the residents of Mongshangai and Kongjen Klekai. Talking to reporters at his residence, R.K. Anand dubbed as shameful that residents of the constituency have raised doubt against the activities and response of the local MLA concerning the current drought-like situation. He was also miffed with the current political crisis with Bahrain government, terming it as unfortunate. Referring to the distribution of rice under the National Food Security Act in the constituency, Anand blamed the government for focusing only on vote bank. He also demanded a white paper from the concerned authority on the matter.
Lebaki mapin pawi by city earned the wombs again. Koi Honorga Matana Puzarak Brain Kaladuna. Say any Makai Padri, I say any Karel was the Pamanavagi Kopuya, Minister, we got a new way to do guys sing Iranda. Yausilla, I did not tell Yawi Tark de Mado Kudak and Opiraga ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯦꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯋꯥꯠꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯠꯂꯤꯒꯦꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯐꯒꯅꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ MLAꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯀꯣꯟꯗ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯈꯨꯗꯝ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯏꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯐꯪ ꯐꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯀꯪꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯧꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯅꯣꯡ ꯅꯤꯅꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯂꯧꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯃꯥꯡꯈ꯭ꯔꯅꯤ
ꯃꯤꯡ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ
ꯑꯩ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯇꯈꯦꯜꯂꯝꯕꯝ
ꯀꯩ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏ
ꯑꯋꯥꯡ ꯀꯣꯟꯖꯦꯡ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏ
ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯀꯩꯊꯦꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯏꯔꯒ
ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯀꯩꯊꯦꯜ ꯑꯋꯥꯡ ꯀꯣꯟꯖꯦꯡ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏ.
Time for a short break, but coming up, 4.5 magnitude quake hits Arunachal.
Yenkom Hexagon Private Limited. We are hiring production manager, project supervisor, sales associates, customer relationship manager, HR executive, civil engineer, wallpaper installer, inventory data entry associate, carpenter, driver, housekeeper. Experienced candidates only. Candidates who feel they are suitable for the position, please send your CV to our email astrotonjam12@gmail.com and state in the subject area the position you are applying for. Yenkom Hexagon Private Limited, RK Birla Shopping Complex, Singjamai Bazaar opposite Axis Bank ATM, Imphal West. Contact number 9077613060, 7005143650 or 8837025787.
Gitam University Visakhapatnam da BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission to bibi yaragani. Campus manungda masagi hospital leizaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure: BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to fourth year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility: BSc class 12 pass, physics, chemistry, biology and English, 50% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singgi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tawbiba yagani. Subnataki seat taramanga khaktani. Akupa marol gidama contact tawbirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara. Phone number 60090622261 natraga 87940262277.
Welcome back. A mild earthquake measuring 4.5 on the Richter scale rocked Dibang Valley in Arunachal Pradesh this afternoon. According to the India Meteorological Department, the earthquake had a depth of 33 km. However, no damage and casualty are reported so far. The death toll of Japanese encephalitis JE in Assam touched 110, a report said. The registered positive JE cases across the state also increased to 477. State Health Minister Hemant Biswa Sarma has ordered that all the doctors, ASHA workers and nurses will not get leave till the month of September 2019 and can't take casual leave for 15 days during this period. The Working Committee of Naga National Political Group said the citizenship of Nagas is totally vested within the village authority and no one without certification of origin from any village or parent village can be enrolled into the records of the Nagaland government. Ferry services on the Brahmaputra River in Guwahati, Assam have been resumed during daytime after the water level started receding to normal level after the second wave of the devastating floods across the state. As per a report, water level of river Brahmaputra is gradually falling below the danger mark of 49.68 meter to 48.50 meter. Tripura unit of the ruling BJP is organizing meetings, rallies, courtyard meetings and road shows to woo the voters ahead of the panchayat elections across the state, according to reports. The ruling party has already won 82% of village panchayat seats uncontested. The party is yet putting all efforts for other seats in the state. Boris Johnson is expected to be elected leader of Britain's governing Conservative Party and the country's next Prime Minister. Johnson, a former London mayor who resigned as Foreign Minister a year ago over May's Brexit plans, is the clear favourite to replace her. with several polls putting him on around 70%. Now time for the newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, Shyam Kumar disqualification case. High Court to announce verdict today. Visa Center to be opened on August 5th. Baby Sana case. Thangmaiban Road blocked partially over government's inaction. Government working on action plan. Janim's nurses line up stay from July 25th. The People's Chronicle. Government plans to avail CMHT benefits in hospitals outside state. Oil Ministry eyes fund for Northeast Gas Grid project. Police nab man involved in killing Munade. Government revokes order Ban Plan South. Discussion on draft National Education Policy 2019 held. Imphal Free Press. 13 including ex-principal of JNV Mao Cha seated in school rape case. Hearing today. JAC to launch intensified movement for justice in Baby Sana's death case. Visa facilitation services to be launched. Fish Fit factory to be installed at Thanga area. MHRC takes up Suromotu case against school shutdown. School education needs to address suicide cases of young students. The Morning Bell. Visa Facilitation Services Center to be launched in August, says Chief Minister Biren. Service center to be first of its kind in Northeast. Discussion on draft National Education Policy 2019 held. There is an imperative need to change the current education system, says Education Minister. MHRC takes Suromotu cognizance of school shutdown called by students' body. Teachers to resume normal class with black badge. KCPMC warns to ban private banks taking more than 2% as interest rate. Manipur Mail. Chief Minister distributes CMHT cards. Rabina's husband given post of ASI. East John Scenic School Festival begins. Discussion on draft National Education Policy 2019 held.
Now before we wrap up the top stories once again. High Court disposes of petitions seeking disqualification of Minister Shyam Kumar. Tension grips Thangmaiban area as protest intensifies over Baby Sana killing. And Chief Minister Biren Singh sees off first batch of Hajj pilgrims at Imphal Airport. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.